If you've been asked to submit a Screencastify recording for an assignment, here's how you can do that. Luckily, this teacher has um, given me the directions and then provided some written out directions with the steps and even a demonstration of those steps that I will follow. So to do this, I will click on Submit Assignment. I've already created the Screencastify recording, so that's already in my drive. So I'm going to go to Create, and in Create, click on Insert Content. I'm going to go to Google Drive Resource App, and once here, I will go to Search, and if I type in Screencastify and do a quick search, that folder will come up, and I can click on the folder and find the video that I want. So let's say this is the video that I want. I'm going to click the box in front of it. This brings up a new button called Import, and I am going to say Import Embed. You may think you want to do import link. Import embed seems like a good idea, but that tends to not work. So make sure you do import link. It will put a link to that video right there. I can add additional information that I want the teacher to know. Maybe they've asked you to answer some additional questions or to do a reflection, whatever that is, do that right here. And then I'm going to click Submit. I will know it's submitted because I will see that the assignment was submitted. And if I needed to, for some reason, do an update, I would need to resubmit a new assignment for that. So that is how you can insert a link or use insert content to give a teacher a link to your Screencastify recording in an easy way for them to see it.